Hi everyone! Right now we're at Pacuare Reserve doing the first excavation in our hatchery this season. So leatherback sea turtle eggs have an incubation period of 60 days. So this nest was laid in late February. And 2 days ago we saw 84 hatchlings come out of this nest at night. So we waited 48 hours in order to excavate and dig up the nest. So what we're doing is counting the number of hatched eggshells, unhatched eggshells, live hatchlings, as well as those that didn't make it in order to determine how successful the nest was. So right now we're separating the number of hatched eggshells from the unhatched eggshells. And sometimes we find leftover hatchlings that got trapped in the nest. But in this excavation we didn't find any, which is a good sign because it means that all of the hatchlings made it out on their own. So we will also open the unhatched eggshells in order to record the phase of development. So all of this research has helped us determine that nests relocated to the hatchery have a much higher hatching success rate than the nests that are left in place, as the nests left in situ are often at risk of being washed over by the tide, harvested by poachers, or are often exposed to really high temperatures and direct sunlight, which stops the development process. So right now, our hatchery is more than half full and we're in the peak of nesting season. So we're excited that hatching season has already begun and are looking forward to sharing more hatchlings with you.